Welcome back to my channel Shri Statistics. Today we are going to talk about a lemma related to the generalized inverse of a matrix. So this lemma states that if H is equal to GA, where the matrix A is of rank R and has n columns, then H is an idempotent matrix of rank R and rank of I minus H is n minus R. I here is unity. So to prove it, we suppose we consider H is equal to GA. This is given to us, so H square will be H into H, that will be GA multiplied by GA. Now as we know from previous videos, G into this AGA is again equal to A. So what does this come out to be? This comes out to be H. Therefore H is idempotent because this is the definition of it. Now as H is the product of G and A, by the properties of rank, rank of H will be less than equal to rank of A. This is rho of H, that is the rho denotes the rank. Rank of H is less than equal to rank of A. This is equation number 1. Also, we have AH is equal to what? H was given as GA, therefore AH is equal to AGA, which is again equal to A. Therefore, the rank of A will be less than or equal to the rank of H. Now, if you would observe these two inequalities, then if this is less than or equal to this and this is less than or equal to this, then these conditions will only be satisfied when rank of H is equal to rank of A and this is equal to R. Now if we consider I minus H square is equal to I minus H into I minus H. So on opening up these brackets, we expand it and hence what do we get? This multiplied by this and this into this and so on. So this comes out to be I minus H. Therefore I minus H is also an idempotent matrix. By the properties of the trace of idempotent matrix, we have rank of I minus H is equal to trace of I minus H. Therefore trace of I minus trace of H, that will be equal to n minus R. Hence the rank of this matrix I minus H is n minus R, and this is what was required to be proved. So that's all from me for today. If you like the video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.